Nice little hilly hill on the ball burnish. All right, guys, I just made it to Ride Out Supply HQ. Here we got a 2019 Big Ripper, and I'm gonna be throwing a few upgrades on it. I had Ride Out Supply cut out this 33 tooth chrome sprocket. This old puppy's gonna be getting a few upgrades. I might even swap the tires on it too, so. Alright guys, we got the 33 tooth Ride Out Supply sprocket installed. So what I think I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna swap out the speedster tires, and I got this ball burnish Big Ripper here, but I'm gonna pull off the BOZACTIRES from the ball burnish and install them on the 2019 Big Ripper. Before I throw the back wheel back on, I'm going to be installing the 16 tooth Ride Out Supply FREEWHEEL just to give it that wheelie bike feeling, that easy, fresh out the box. It's going to be a fun bike to wheelie. Just to show you guys for comparison, the top bars are the 2019 bars, bottom bars are the newer style Big Ripper bars. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get these new bars installed real quick. Bike feels smooth. Woo. Now this is what a Big Ripper should have felt like back in 2019. Guys, this bike is set up to cut up. All right, so let me give you guys the quick rundown of what I just did to this bike, because this bike is literally riding like it should. It's just so smooth right now. So we installed a 33 tooth Ride Out Supply sprocket. We installed a 16 tooth Ride Out Supply FREEWHEEL. Stock chain, guys. We are still running the stock chain. I didn't have to cut off any links or anything. We are running a newer style big honking bars. I like these bars a little bit better than the older style because these ones sit a little bit taller. I am a tall person. The old bars, they sat a little lower. We want some theory grips just to get rid of those SC mushroom grips. And also we installed some 29-inch SC BOZACK tires, guys. So the bike's riding pretty smooth. Just in case you guys are wondering everything I did to this bike, I'll have a link to the parts down in the description below so it could help you guys out, just in case you wanted to order these new parts for your bike. I still got it on the V brakes. Ain't even hit that turn. Pretty much for you guys out there wondering what you should do to your stock Big Ripper. Freewheel sprocket, swap the tires out, and some fresh brakes would be cool too. You should be good to go. That's just my go-to things whenever I upgrade parts on a Big Ripper. All right, so I got all the stickers off the bike on both sides, as you guys can see. Now, so all that's really left to do on this bike is the new sticker kit, and you guys are gonna be seeing that in the next video. I'm gonna be showing you guys right off supply, cutting up the sticker kit. We're gonna be, you know, freshening up this bike. Y'all comment down below, what do y'all think of the tan tires? Should we do all black tires or should we leave the Bozaks on there? Y'all comment down below and let me know what you guys think I should do. I could throw some Maxis on there and I could throw some Theory tires on there. But if you guys like the tan walls on here, let me know. I'll just leave them on there. So yeah, guys, this bike was pretty much abandoned. Person bought it off right out supply and only rode it a few times, and it literally sat and collected dust. Like when I first touched the bike, literally the tires were flat. I like the bike. I like how it rides and everything. So, but yeah, guys, without further ado, I'm going to end off this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Please hit that like button if you're enjoying this rebuild, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.